Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much our YouTube channel makes with Google AdSense with 26,000 subscribers. Alright, so I've been doing a series of these videos just to show you guys what a typical YouTube channel can make with the various different subscriber numbers. So before I get to my current numbers, I'm going to show you the progression that we've had since 20,000 subscribers. Alright, so before I get started, some things to note. Our channel is a tutorial-based channel. We put out different kinds of tutorials. Each day of the week has a different theme. So on Mondays, I do tutorials on how we make money online through different avenues, Etsy, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, things of that nature. On Tuesdays, we do social media tutorial videos, usually tutorials on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. On Wednesdays are video creation type videos where I talk about how we edit our videos with a software called Camtasia. I might also talk about the gear that we use, cameras, microphones. On Thursdays are usually about mindset, so stories that we have, current videos and audiobooks that we're reading. And on Fridays and Saturdays are kind of like vlogs and review type videos. And we're based here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Alright, so before I show you our current numbers, let me show you a couple of past videos that I did exactly like this one and how our income revenue has grown since then. So you guys can find these videos down in the description below, but this was the first one that I created with 20,000 subscribers. So at this point, we were actually at 19,500, pretty much 20,000 subscribers. And at the time, we were making $815 US, which we have to convert to Canadian for us because when YouTube Google AdSense pays you, it converts into Canadian automatically in your account. 815 was about 1,064 Canadian. And by the way, the earnings that I'm talking about on our YouTube channel are the Google AdSense earnings. So this is what YouTube Google pays you when people watch the ads in the beginning, in the middle, at the end of your videos. They might click on them if they pop up at the bottom or on the side. This is the income that I'm talking about. It's not income that we earn from affiliate marketing, one-on-one coaching, products and services that we sell on our channel as well. So this was in April 2019, and at the time, we were having our most subscribers per month at over 1,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. And we were at 110,000 views and 430,000 watch time minutes. And this is for the last 28 days on your entire channel as a whole. Some people get a little bit confused and they think that it's the stats for your videos that you uploaded for the last 28 days. It is your stats on your channel as a whole for the last 28 days. Okay, so that was the first one. Here was the second one at 22,000 subscribers. So I released this one in August. First one was in April, August of 2019. And we had 22,182 subscribers. And you can see that our income jumped by about $200, but our subscribers went down about 400 subscribers. And that's the crazy thing with YouTube is a lot of people think that your earnings are directly related to how many subscribers and how many views that you get per video. I'll explain a little bit later on, but there are channels that have way more subscribers than us that earn a lot less, and I will go into more detail when we go through our current stats. So here, in the second video that I did with 22,000 subscribers, so 2 more thousand subscribers, and we were at 1,040, which is about $1,358 Canadian for us. And like I said, our subscribers went down to 650. Our views were at 113. It's usually around there, the 100,000 mark per 28 days. So this is kind of the average that we get. And our watch time is even lower as well. So we were at 430, but now we're at 368,000 watch time minutes. All right, so let's head into our current numbers. As I'm filming this, it is January 18th, 2020. My last video that I did of this was August 2019, and before that was April 2019. And I did this at 20,000 subscribers, 22,000 subscribers, and now we're at 26,000 subscribers. So here are our current stats right now. Again, our income jumped, and we are at 1,563 US, which is 1,563, which is at $2,042 Canadian for us. And you'll see initially it was at the 20,000 mark, it was at 800 US, which is about 1,000. So from 20,000 to 26,000 subscribers, we are at over $2,000. So it's jumped about $1,000. Our subscribers right now are at 835. Last time it was at 600, and before that it was at 1,000. It fluctuates depending on the season, what's going on, what videos. So I would say our average range is between like 650 all the way up to 1,000 subscribers per month. And our views are up from last time. So we're at 151,000 views. Last time we were at 113, and before that we were at 110. Our watch time minutes are also slightly up. We're at 500,000 minutes watched, and before that 368, and before that it was actually higher initially at 430. So that fluctuates as well. Now I have both tabs open. I have the old studio, YouTube studio, and the new one, because the new one shows our current subscribers. So we're at 26,364. And for some reason, between these two tabs, the numbers vary a little bit, but they're generally going to be slightly similar. Like the income here says 1,523, whereas here it says 1,563. And here the subscriber says 835. Whereas here it says 854. So I have both windows open to show you, and they just vary slightly. All right, so I'm here on the revenues tab right now, and I'll hover over and you can see approximately what we're making per day. So here it's $73, $70, $68, $55, $50, $75, $63, $49. So it does range per day. And here's a list of our top earning videos right now. Right now we have an Etsy video that my business partner Urit actually filmed and published last January 14th actually. And initially this video didn't get any views at all. And it wasn't until March, so 3 months later, that this video started to pick up and go viral. Viral in a mini sense that it has like over 150,000 views, close to 200,000 views. So this video has done very well with the ad revenue, and it's because my business partner, Urit, she is doing a breakdown video of the Etsy payment system. So the Etsy payment system is quite convoluted and confusing, and she did a video explaining it. Now, there are a lot of people who run ads on this video because this video can be found through search engine optimization. This video was optimized properly by my business partner. And so when entrepreneurs and people who want to run ads, when they want to run ads on Etsy videos, ours will come up because it's searchable. It's getting traction, and when people run specific customized ads on your videos, you'll earn more of a cut from YouTube/Google. So these are some other videos that we've done, and it's really cool to see that, some videos that I've done like a while ago are still making ad revenue to this day. Like this Camtasia 9 video, that was published in 2016 and it's still earning ad revenue now. Now, it might not be much, but when you have a bunch of videos and they're all earning small amounts of income, it adds up to a large amount of income. So don't underestimate the power of one video, the power of many videos, the power of consistently putting out content. We've been pumping out tutorials for years now, and I will say that in the very beginning, we didn't earn anything. We barely got anything. But over time, as those started to accumulate and rank, then the Google ad revenue started to come in. All right, so I want to head over to the front end of our YouTube channel and explain a little bit as to how our channel makes over $2,000 a month in Google ad revenue. Because there are people who are sometimes confused and they don't understand that, our channel is a baby. Like we only have 26,000 subscribers. And if you compare that to a lot of other channels who have more subscribers but less income, it's confusing. But here's what you need to understand about ad revenue on YouTube. So just because you have more subscribers and more views doesn't necessarily equal more income than that person. I know many channels that have over 100,000 subscribers, almost 300,000 subscribers, but they earn less ad revenue. They have more views per video, more interaction, more subscribers. And here's why it's not always the case. So like I said, our channel is a tutorial-based channel. And you have to think about who are going to be running these kinds of ads. Who's going to be running Google ads? Usually businesses, entrepreneurs, people who want to sell stuff. It matters where you are, the type of content, the subject, if you are putting out appropriate content, if you're putting out prank videos, swearing, crude content, advertisers aren't going to want to put ads on that. I had someone who commented on our channel and they do pranks. They do prank videos. Well, pranks were popular back then, but they're not now, and advertisers don't want their stuff on prank videos. There's too much controversy about that, and just businesses and companies don't want to be associated with that. So even though our channel does not get very many views sometimes initially, our videos take time to work in the SEO YouTube algorithm system. So even though, I'll give you an example, let's say this video right here, how to keep track of client projects with Airtable. Even though that video has like less than 100 views, a couple months from now, it will probably have thousands of views. Because for our channel, our initial views don't come from our subscribers. Our views come from organic search because our videos are very searchable and they're evergreen content, which means they live longer online. I'll give you an example. Vlog channels, for instance, we do vlogs as well, only really when we're doing something exciting or traveling. But let's say you have a full-time only vlog channel. When you release a vlog on Monday, by Friday, that video's life on your channel is pretty much done because most of your subscribers will have watched the Monday channel. It's unlikely that a person will re-watch a vlog video many times over. They might, but it's not the typical watching habit of someone. They'll likely watch your Monday vlog, watch your Tuesday vlog, watch your Wednesday vlog. They're not going to go back and re-watch. Whereas on a tutorial, if I'm doing a tutorial, let's say on a Camtasia, which is an editing software, on how to do something, and then they forget how to do that thing, they'll come back to the video and re-watch it. It's a tutorial video. Another thing that we do is we pay attention to the trends of our videos. So when that Etsy video was going viral, we were creating more Etsy videos, more tutorials on that subject because people were really digging it. That first video was going viral and we were getting a lot of ad revenue from it. So as you can see, initially our views are very low because we talk about a lot of different topics on our channel, and people, when they watch our videos, they'll give us a subscribe because we help them solve some sort of problem on Facebook, on Etsy, on Camtasia, and they'll give us a subscribe. But they're not always going to watch every single video because the tutorials are on different subjects and it might not be something that they watch on a daily basis like a vlog channel. But that's okay because our channel initially gets low views, but as you continue to scroll down and scroll down, you start to see that the numbers actually start to grow. They get higher. Like this one right here has 1,000. This one has 3,000. I like to explain it as our videos are like an aged wine. It gets better over time. The videos, I'm not too consumed with when we release a video in a week and it has less than 100 views, I'm not going to get pissed off or anything like that. My whole thing is, oh, in a couple months, that video could go viral or that video could hit a couple thousand views. And as you see here on our channel, it says money, marketing, and mindset for creative entrepreneurs. Our whole thing about our YouTube channel is to create these tutorials to help people. So when we get comments from people saying that they really enjoyed our videos, it helped them with the project, they were searching for hours but found our video and that helped them solve the solution, that means more to me than a certain number of views per video. From the very beginning, our channel has not been about getting the most amount of subscribers and getting the most amount of views. It has been providing the most amount of value and content for free, and how can we help as many people as we can. All right, so I'm gonna end it here. That is how much we earn with 26,000 subscribers. All right, guys, so if you have any comments or questions, please let us know down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.